This video demonstrates the proper cleaning procedure for the Pyxis SP700 handheld unit. To complete this procedure, you will need the Pyxis handheld meter cleaning kit available at pyxis-lab.com/shop. To begin, open the shield and pour the Pyxis handheld meter cleaning solution into the fluorometer sample cell. After a 15 to 30 minute wait period, you will begin to see the cleaning solution bubble up as shown in the fieldwork example. Use the Pyxis pipe cleaner to gently scrub the sample cell. Then take one of the given Q-tips and again gently scrub. Rinse and fill the sample cell with DI water. Then gently scrub the cell with a Q-tip. The same general procedure can be applied to the PHORP module. Add solution and scrub after waiting 15 to 30 minutes. Then do the same with DI water. The Pyxis handheld SP700 unit is now clean.